In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert handwriting to text in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the OneNote app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your notes seamlessly. You can use OneNote online through a web browser or the desktop application, whichever you prefer. It's a versatile tool that works across different devices and platforms, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. Once you're in OneNote, look for the section labelled My Notebooks. Click on it to access your list of notebooks. This is where you'll find all your created and saved notes. If you haven't created a notebook yet, don't worry. It's easy to start a new one by clicking on Add Notebook. Upon opening your desired notebook, you'll see an option called View Notebook. Click on this to open up the specific notebook you're working with. Now you're ready to create or modify a note. What you want to accomplish now is transforming your handwritten notes into text. Let's move on to doing that. Navigate to the Draw tab located on the toolbar at the top of your screen. The Draw feature in OneNote is what allows you to write using a stylus, your finger, or even a mouse. This is perfect when you need to scribble down quick notes or diagrams. Under the Draw tab, choose a writing tool that suits your style. This could be a pen, pencil, or highlighter. Each tool can be customized in terms of color and width, providing the flexibility to make your notes visually distinct and organized. With your tool selected, go ahead and write out your notes. Take your time to write clearly so that when you convert the writing into text, the app can accurately recognize the characters. This step is crucial to ensure that the conversion is as precise as possible. Lastly, after you've finished writing your notes, click on the Ink to Text button. This is the magic step where OneNote does the heavy lifting. The application will process your handwriting and convert it into editable text. It's important to double check the converted text to ensure accuracy, as some handwritten notes might not convert perfectly the first time. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your handwritten notes into text using OneNote's convenient features. This tool can significantly streamline your workflow, making it easier to search through notes, edit, and share them without hassle. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it enhances your note-taking experience in OneNote. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.